Hello, this is John. In this tutorial, you will learn all about MagOasis software licensing. In order to use the full capabilities of a MagOasis software product, you need a user license. Without one, you will only be able to use the program in its demonstration or demo mode. This is a restricted mode that allows you to create and edit a design file, but does not allow you to save the design to an external file or to run a calculation on it. Here is information that describes a MagOasis user license. The number of seats available in the license, the means for monitoring the validity of the license, which can be either hard key or soft key, and finally the license duration. Short-term licenses have expiration dates associated with them. Indefinite or permanent licenses are non-expiring. A seat allows use of a single application session at a time. The session runs in a single computer at a time, and there is no limit to the number of application instances that can be started in a session. Let us take a closer look at the hard key license. To use this license, MagOasis provides you with a license activation program and one or more hard key adapters that can be plugged into your computer's USB port. Here are the steps you use to activate a hard key license. After installing MagOasis software, run the license activation program to activate the license. The picture below is a screenshot of the initial page of the license activation program. Complete the installation by pressing the next button and following the instructions. To use the hard key license, plug in the MagOasis provided hard key into an available USB port of your computer and start the licensed application. For the hard key license, the seat is always associated with one computer at a time. Let us now look at the soft key license. You use this license in a computer connected to the internet. The diagram illustrates how soft key monitoring works. A license server verifies the user's license by communicating with the user's computer through the internet. MagOasis provides you with a user ID and activation code to be used to activate the license. Here are the steps to activate a soft key license. After installing MagOasis software, launch the relevant application. From the main program menu, display a license activation dialog box. Enter the MagOasis provided license activation data and click the OK button. We will now illustrate this procedure for actual MagOasis software sessions. Let us begin with a Maximus Deluxe session. Here is the startup screen in demo mode. Notice, for example, that the Run button is disabled in this mode. To now activate the license, we go here to the main menu, click Special, click Network License Activate. The Activate License dialog box comes up. Here in a separate file, text file, I have the license activation data. So I copy them over. Click OK. Wait a few moments and we are done. The application now operates in its normal mode. As you can see, the Run button is now active. Let us also illustrate soft key activation for the spin valve bench software. The same procedure will be applicable to the Ultra Recording Simulator software and other MagOasis application. Here's the spin valve bench session currently in the demo mode. In the control window, notice that the Run button is disabled. To activate the license, we click Tools, click Network License Activate. In the Activate License dialog box, we again copy over the license activation data. Click OK, and in a few moments we are done. As you can see, the Run button is now active. In conclusion, here's the final point about soft key licenses. Because they operate over the internet, they are extremely flexible to use. Unlike the hard key license, you need not use them in one computer at a time, but you can use them in any computer anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. All you need to get started is to enter your license activation data, and you are ready to go. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you.